all these birds are sitting on top of the store. They're all flocking to sit on top of the store. I've never seen that before in all these years. What is God saying? What is God doing?